Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to see your Gmail password from your mobile device. So, let's dive right in. First, unlock your mobile phone and find the Settings app. Tap on it. In the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Google section and tap on it. In the Google section, tap on Manage your Google account. Now, swipe left or tap on the Security tab. Under the Signing in to Google section, scroll down and find the Password Manager, and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the passwords saved to your Google account. Look for Mail or Google, and tap on it. To view your saved password, you'll need to authenticate using your device's security method. This could be your fingerprint, face unlock, or a PIN code. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.